Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can set up ZeroClaw bot completely locally with Ollama and connect it to a chat app, which in this case will be connecting it to Telegram. So this will be a complete step-by-step beginner guide on how to exactly set up OpenClaw locally. So let's get right into it. Now, ZeroClaw is a recent light version fork of the OpenClaw project, and as you can see here, they claim they use 99% less memory than OpenClaw and you can run it on any device. So let's get right into the setup process. Now for this you would just need to open a terminal on your device of choice. For me, I'll be using my VPS, which has Linux Ubuntu installed. Now if you guys would also like to use a VPS, I will leave a DigitalOcean link in the description below, and that's a VPS provider which also has a GPU installed on their VPSs, so you will be able to run some stronger LLM models locally and get faster responses. Also, if you use the link from the description below for DigitalOcean, you will get extra $200 as a balance on your DigitalOcean account to spend with them. But essentially, this will work on any device regardless of your operating system. So let's get right into it. Now, once you have your terminal opened up, I will just first update the system so we have everything on the latest version. Also guys, I will leave the whole commands list step by step in the description below so you can follow along in real time. You will just need to copy paste the commands as I go. So the first command that we will be executing will be this command, which will just upgrade our operating system. So as you can see, Ubuntu Linux right here, and it's now upgrading it. Next up, once the system is upgraded, we would just need to install the dependencies. So for this, again, you would just need to follow the guide that's linked in the description and then just copy paste this command right here. So let's go ahead and press enter to execute the command. And there we go. Now the next very important step will be installing Rust on our device. And that's because ZeroClaw runs on Rust, so we would need to have Rust for it to function properly. So again, just go ahead and paste over this command and then press enter to initiate the installation. Then before you can actually continue with the installation, you would need to select one of these three options. So either proceed with standard installation, you can customize it, or you can cancel it. So I will just press enter, which will select this first default option, which would be continuing the installation. And there we go. So the installation is now started, and you would just need to wait a few minutes for everything to finish. After about a minute or two, the installation has finished, and next up, let's go ahead and load the Rust into our shell. So again, just go ahead and paste over the command and then press enter to initiate it. This should be pretty instantaneous, and then we can just go ahead and step over to the next step, which would be installing Ollama. So the installation command is this one, and then again, just go ahead and press enter to start the command. Now it's fetching the Ollama repo and then installing it on our device. Again, this might also take a few minutes for everything to be installed. And there we go. Now the Ollama is installed, so I got this warning that I don't have a GPU because my VPS doesn't actually have a GPU. I'm using a Hostinger VPS, but if you decided to go with a DigitalOcean VPS from the description below, you will have a GPU. So because I don't have a GPU, I'll be going with a lighter version of Ollama, which can function only with a CPU. But for you, if you have a GPU on your device or on your VPS, you can go with any version that you want. Now, next up, let's go ahead and start Ollama with this command. Then the Ollama is started, and we can pull the version that we would like to install on our device. So I will be using the GLM4 version, but again, as I mentioned, you can just change this last part to the version that you would like to use. Once you decided on your version, just go ahead and press enter to pull that version to your device, and that should be also quite instantaneous. So guys, now we have our Ollama installed, Rust installed, and all the dependencies that we need for everything to function properly. Next step would be installing the actual ZeroClaw bot. So we do that with this command right here. Once you have the installation command pasted over, just go ahead and press enter, and the ZeroClaw bot will start the installation. So this was also quite instantaneous for me, but this will depend on your internet speed. Next up, we would need to build this installation, so let's go ahead and paste over this command, cargo build release. And now it's unpacking that build that we just pulled. So this step might also take a few moments, but just go ahead and let it go through it.
One eternity later.
So here we are, the installation has finished, and for me it took about 5 minutes. So next up we would just need to adjust this installation so it will be installed globally, which we do with this command right here. So we do this because that would allow us not to specify the path once we would like to execute any command on our terminal. So essentially when we execute the command, it will automatically find ZeroClaw instead of us needing to find it manually. So let's go ahead and initiate this. Once the global installation is finished, again this might take a few minutes, roughly half than what it took for the initial installation to be done. Then you would again be on your terminal, and next up we would need to execute the main command of this video, which would be the onboarding command for ZeroClaw. So I'll just execute this command right here and then press enter. This will give us the onboarding wizard, so it's a bit similar to OpenClaw, but in my opinion it has a better design. So as you can see, we can access the terminal right away because it automatically installed all the stuff that we would actually need to manually install with the OpenClaw wizard setup. So if you take a closer look right here, you would be able to see that the tunnel is not set up. Now, the tunnel is essentially just the chat app of our choice. So at the moment we would be able to chat to ZeroClaw through the terminal, but I'll show you in a couple of moments on how to set it up with Telegram. But before doing so, we would need to change the config file of our LLM, so the brain of our ZeroClaw, so it points to Ollama. Now, if you take a look at the model right here, you will be able to see that it automatically had set it up with Claude, but because we want to run this locally, I will just initiate this config command right here, so it has the LLM configured with Ollama, which we installed previously. Now again, if you installed a different version from GLM4, which I did, you would just need to change this to the version that you installed. And you can do this just by using your notepad and then just changing this to your Ollama version. Once you have your command edited, if your version is different than mine, you can just go ahead and press enter to connect everything. Now don't worry, this is also instantaneous, so you will just get your usual terminal setup right here. But next up you can test it with this command if you want. Now I won't initiate this command because I don't have a GPU installed on my VPS, so it will take about 10 or 20 minutes for the bot to actually respond. I'll add a screenshot of it responding in my previous run, just for proof that it actually works. But I'll just delete this command and then we'll just go straight to the tunnel, or in this case Telegram setup. So for us to set up Telegram or any chat app of choice, we would just need to execute this command, ZeroClaw onboard channels only. Then it will give us a list of channels which we can connect to our ZeroClaw bot. Now this is the same gist as with OpenClaw. If you have set it up OpenClaw previously, you would just need to use your keyboard keys to select your channel of choice. So I will go ahead and select Telegram and then press enter to confirm my choice. Next up, we would just need to add our Telegram bot token right here. So I will quickly show you what you need to do on Telegram to set everything up. Now I have my Telegram account loaded up right here, so I will just search for botfather right here in the search bar, and then you would just need to select this user right here. So this will be a bot which would allow you to create other bots on Telegram. Now once you initiate the chat with the botfather, all you would need to do is just use this command, new bot, and then just use it in chat. Next up, you would just need to select a name for your bot. So in this step, essentially what we're doing is just creating a bot that we can then connect to our ZeroClaw bot for it to be a proxy for communication between us and ZeroClaw. So essentially just a profile for our ZeroClaw bot. Now let's go ahead and select the name for our bot. So let's say 00, for example. This will just be a display name. And now we would need to select a username. So I will just go ahead and paste our display name, and then for it to actually work, it needs to end with bot right here. So let's go ahead and check if this username is available. Now it's not available, so I'll just add some random numbers and then this should be available. So there we go, the bot has been created, and what ZeroClaw is asking for us right here under the bot token is this API token right here. So just go ahead and click on this token and then you can paste it over to your ZeroClaw terminal. Once you have it pasted over, just go ahead and press enter. and then this could take a few moments, but essentially, as you can see, it's connected as 00 bot. So that's the bot that we just created right here. Next up, I will just simply write this so it allows me to communicate with it, and then just press enter. And then we're back to the channel selector. So here you can select another app if you want, so an additional communication app of choice, but I will just select done and finish the setup. So that's the ZeroClaw setup done, and then for everything to work properly, I will just restart the gateway. And now, as you can see, my ZeroClaw bot is typing, but because I don't have a GPU on my VPS, this will take about 10 or 20 minutes for it to respond. But essentially, guys, that's how you can set up ZeroClaw with Ollama completely locally. Just be sure that you actually have a GPU. If you found this video helpful, you can watch my other setup guides or other general guides on OpenClaw, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.